Alright, well, here's my account right now, eye tactics. We just played vFELONY and his partner, I can't remember his name. He was lag switching every map, and he just IP flooded me. See right here, I can't even sign in now. So I can't get proof for the second map that we won, but I have proof of them lag switching for every other map and me lagging out. And then I got proof of them using akimbos, which you'll see in the other links. But you'll see here that I can't sign in. And I even go to my network stuff and it just doesn't work. So let's go over to the network. Failed, you can see. It was working fine all day. We played vFELONY. No one is even on my internet right now. And he IP flooded clearly, as you can see. Okay, thank you.